Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and today is what we call Ketchup Day. Why is it called Ketchup Day? Not ketchup that you put on your French fries, not that. But it's called Ketchup Day because we're releasing items that there's a chance you might have. There's a chance you might have seen them. Perhaps I released them with the other company that I used to work with, or perhaps they went on HSN, or perhaps they were in a kit that you weren't able to get because it sold out. So today's Ketchup Day. Are you ready? The most requested item to bring back that I took on HSN, because I do believe it did sell out pretty quickly, is the Cross Flip It. It is now available on our website. Club members, yes, you get your club discount. It is now available on our website. And I have samples to share with you, rest assured. Also, I took on HSN that sold out, the Gift Fold It. The Gift Fold It's amazing, and guess what, my friends? Guess what? Let me open this up for you because I want you to see how awesome this is. It is coming with free epoxy dots. Free rainbow epoxy dots. Is that amazing or what? Look how gorgeous those epoxies are. Yes, it comes with that free. That's the Gift Fold It. But wait, there's more, because we also released at one time, these are sold separately, there was a spring kit we did. Now it had a lot of other fun things in it. I think it had a paper pad, it had a whole bunch of different things. But now we're selling if you missed it, now we're selling the stamps, which are really fun. Hello Spring, For My Sweet Funny Bunny, Sending Spring Hugs, Happy Mail, fun things like that. And there was this funny die, and I know this looks funny. You got to go to the website. It makes a bunny. It paper pieces a cute little bunny. These items came in a kit. Now they're available, so if you missed them then, now you can get them. But wait, there's more, because we have a Pastel Ribbon pack, number 3, and this has 5 different ribbons that are available for a limited time. This is a limited time. Once it's gone forever. Also releasing today, remember it's Ketchup Day. You might already have this if you bought the Sage kit, the Sage ink pad with the refill. So if you missed out on the Sage kit, now you can at least get the stamp pad and the refill for the Sage. Let's look at our samples. Look at our Cross Flip It. Is that the most gorgeous, especially with the glitter paper and the mirror paper? I absolutely love it. So pretty. Here's another one. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at how beautiful that is. Just pray. Don't stress about it. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. Now here's those fun stamps. This says Happy Spring. Open it up. Hello Spring. Isn't that cute? I love it. Hello Spring. Here's another fun one. Happy Spring. Open it up. Sending Spring Hugs. So fun. Now let's look at those gifts. Are you ready? Look at how cute. Now don't forget you're getting the free epoxy as well. Look at how cute that is. Open it up. We can write our fun message. Here's a cute one using our dotted ovals. Whoops, did I miss one? Using our dotted ovals. Let's celebrate, adding some wool felt in there. So cute. Wishing you a birthday filled with all your favorite things. All your favorite things. Let's see. Oh, here's one. Ooh, made out of glitter. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. Here's a cute one with little tags added to it. All of those fun pieces that you get to piece it together to make it a really fun card. Blow out the candles, eat all the cake, open the presents, and celebrate. Happy birthday. And look at this cute one. Oh, this is perfect for me right now. My babies are turning 2 right now. Look how cute this is. The Gift Fold It with the Best Buds Bear to Stamp. And the numbers for cake and the tag dies. Look at how gorgeous that is. It's a birthday for 2. I love it. Club members, yes, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. But before you buy any of them, make sure you don't already have them. I know some of them you didn't get to get because they all sold out. So now is your chance. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.